How to protect your LinkedIn account. If you are concerned of security issues with your LinkedIn account, in this video I'm going to show you a quick way on how to secure and protect your LinkedIn account. If this video helps you, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On your LinkedIn homepage, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and tap on it. Under settings, you could see a list of options. Make sure to tap on sign in and security. Then this will drop you to an interface like this. In order to protect your LinkedIn account, you have to first change your password, which is an option that you have here. And you can also enable the two-step verification on. After you tap on two-step verification and follow the subsequent steps, after that you can then also activate the app lock for LinkedIn. That's it. You have successfully protected your LinkedIn account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.